Let's make refreshing, tasty and simple cucumber pachadi at home. In a blender, add in some green chilies, add in some cumin seeds, add in some mustard seeds and add in some grated coconut. Now add a little bit of water and grind it into a coarse paste and keep it ready. See, this is how it looks. Keep it aside. Now in a bowl, add in the coconut mixture which we just blended, and then what you can do is add in chopped cucumber. The cucumber needs to be chopped small like this. This is how we need the cucumber chopped. Add it to the coconut paste and let's make a tasty tadka ready. Now in a bowl I've added in some oil, I'm adding in some mustard seeds, next I'm adding in some urad dal. Once the urad dal and the mustard seeds splatters and turn brown, that is when I'm adding in some hing and add in some curry leaves. This is a very simple recipe yet so flavorful, especially you can have it with your plain rice or just you can have it a bowl of this salad. I've added in some yogurt as well. Usually we don't add yogurt, but everybody is in the protein era now, so I've added in protein. Now mix everything really very well. All the ingredients needs to be combined very well. That is the main thing for this simple recipe. Add in salt as well. Check for the salt. Once you've checked for the salt, garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Your healthy, tasty, protein packed, refreshing cucumber pachadi is ready to serve. As I said, it is very refreshing, very simple, very healthy, and you can just have a bowl of this or just enjoy it with your rice or any kind of serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow. Ingredients are in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe.